Count, count, let's have fun. Say the numbers one by one. One little sun, shining bright, having fun. Two blue shoes, walking slowly, no excuse. Count, count, let's have fun. Say the numbers one by one. Three buzzing bees, flying high up above the trees. Four red doors, open close, let's explore. Five cute bears, dancing round in pairs. Six small sticks, building house with bricks. Seven little stars, shining bright like tiny cars. Eight pink plates, full of yummy cakes. Nine white mice, running fast, oh so nice. 10 big hens, clucking loud in their pens. Count, count, now we're done counting.